For other components with solenoid valves, such as the interlock box, we've got the solenoid valve rebuild kit, which the parts are here. We'll go ahead and pull this solenoid valve apart and just do the maintenance on it relatively quickly. And pull off the coil. The kit comes with the nut required to pull off the stem. And we'll use it to just unthread the entire stem. Here are the components we're going to change out. And there's the washer in here as well. First we'll load in the new washer and make sure it's seated. We'll add in the spring and the shuttle. And then reverse the previous steps for reassembly.